Hello everyone, I hope that all of you have been working hard to create your games for Game Jam. In this video, I will show you once again how you can upload your game for the competition. First, you need to sign in. Next, you need to select your game that you want to submit and make sure that you have shared it. Here is how you share your game. First, click on your username on the top right hand side. Click on My Stuff. Select the game that you want to upload for the competition. In this case, this is my game. Next, make sure that you click on the Share button. After you click on the Share button, this project can be viewed by everyone, and anyone can be able to play your game. Next, please make sure you write some instructions on how to play your game. Also, please write your age. Next step, you have to upload your game to the Game Jam Studio. First, click on your username on the top right hand corner. Click on My Class, and at 8 o'clock tonight, the Game Jam Studio will be available. When you are watching this video, this studio may not yet be available to you, but please check at 8 o'clock tonight, the 2nd of May 2021, and you will see this studio being available. Click on the Game Jam Studio. Remember, it has to be the Game Jam Studio, not the Fun Studio. Let me click on the Game Jam Studio. And your next step is to add your project to the studio. Click on the Add Project button and then select your project to add to the studio. Remember, you can only add one project for your team. If you have added the wrong project, you can remove it from the studio and add another one. So remember, every team can only submit one game for the Game Jam, and you have between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. to upload your game. I look forward to viewing and trying all your games for the Game Jam competition. So that's all from me, Teacher Jason, and I wish all of you the best of luck.